Hey everybody, Dennis here. Today we're going to be working on this 2005 Lexus ES330 with 3.3 V6. We've got a two-part video. One part is going to be replacing the radiator fan assembly due to a fan bearing failure, and the other part two, is going to be the thermostat replacement. I've had a check engine light for a couple months now for the thermostat. I think it was like an insufficient cooling temperature range, something like that. And on cooler days, you can tell the coolant temperature gauge doesn't get to full operating temperature while cruising. So anyway, that's what we're going to be working on. Stay tuned. Thank you. Alright, so the first part of this is we're going to remove this plastic trim, the upper radiator hose, the air intake tube, and I've already drained the antifreeze out. So that's what we're going to do right now, is take all that off. I'm also going to go ahead and take off the engine cover and the air box and probably the battery, just because in the part two I got to do the thermostat. So stay. Alright, now as you can see, I have plenty of access to the cooling fan. All I got to undo is these two main wire harnesses here, and there are, let's see if I can get you in here, 3 10mm bolts. 3, holding that in, push the fan back, straight up it goes. Alright, as you can see, I undid a little more. Ended up forgetting about this wire that runs on top of the radiator into the switch for the hood latch, showing the hood latch is open or closed. So I ended up taking the core support off, and also unbolted the right side of the AC condenser so I can move it forward just a little bit. So now I can slide the radiator forward, and as you can see, that gives just enough clearance to pull the fan up. So that's what I'm fixing to do now. Alright, so I ran into another thing. There is a coolant temp sensor I forgot about again. I guess I've been out of Lexus too long. So got to swap the harness over to the new one and put her back in. Alright, so this is going to conclude part one. We're doing the radiator cooling fan. I still have to do the thermostat, which excuse me, means I got to leave all this stuff out to get to it, because the thermostat is over here, kind of in between the V valley of the block. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.